Hello everyone, today I'm going to demonstrate Hotdesk Reservation app. This app developed in Microsoft Power App. User can simply download Microsoft Power App from App Stores to install on the mobile phone and sign in with the office email address. After they have successfully signed in, they should be able to launch the app. So on the this is the main screen, and on the main screen you can see the person who logged into the app and upcoming reservation details. Bottom there is a icon. Bottom there's a few icons. The first three icons mainly for the make a reservation is visible for the all the users, and the rest two icons mainly for the admin to manage the desk and given an approval. I'm going to demonstrate to new booking of a desk. When click on new booking, as a default it will selecting the person who log into the app, and when it will form you a calendar to choose a date. From here you can see the past date will be grayed out and it only shows the upcoming dates. Now I'm going to choose today date, which is 25, and for the time slot I'm set as 9 to 6 p.m. so which is our current working hours, and click continue. And for the desk selection, it will show that available desks from 25 fifth to 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. From here, you can see all the desks at phase 3 and phase 4. Each phases has two emergency desks. This to use emergency desk require an approval, and other desk normal desks do not require any approval. So I'm going to show you one by one. First is a normal desk. I'm selecting a desk 01 phase 3. Click continue. Click continue again. If you need any changes, you can click on make changes to make any changes. If it's all good, desk details, date and time, everything is good, click on books code. Then the desk will be booked. Click on your book and it will show on the main screen that this desk been booked on which date and where it's located. Okay, and if on the when the time the user need to use the desk, they have to go click on the booking, click on the check-in button to check in. If not, they can click and cancel. They can cancel the booking. For this case, I'm going to click check-in to show that this desk been checked in and the date. So after I click on checking from home screen, I can see that that's been checked in. Okay. If there's any fall on the desk, you can click on report a fall, select a desk. Here you can see all the desks, phase 3 and phase 4. Simply choose the date you want to make a report and put the description. Mm, the monitor is not working. Then attach a file. I'm using a browser. That's why it's showing me, prompting me to select a file. If using a mobile phone, you can straight away activate a camera to take a picture. Okay, and click submit. After it's been submitted, it will go to the respective person to address the issue. For this case, after I submitted, I will be receiving an email say that desk 01 located phase 3 has a problem with the monitor. For testing purpose, I send it to myself. I'm going to demonstrate the emergency desk. Click on the new booking when 9 to 6 and selecting the emergency desk. From here you can see desk 01 phase 3 is no longer visible because desk already been booked. So let me choose emergency desk, click continue. Then after you choose emergency desk, you will prompt a message say that emergency desk request require an approval. Click continue. That looks good. Book. By right, by right it should be shows required an approval. Pending for approval. I'm still working on it. For the admin, when you click on the approval button, you will see the person who booked for the emergency desk. So can simply click its current status is pending for approval. So simply click on the edit button to grant an access. So under the state, choose either approve or deny. If that we're going to be denied, I put a comment that the desk is occupied for someone else. If there's no comment, if it's good to go, then click on approve, click save. Then the desk will be status as approved. Then from the home screen, users can see the desk being approved. They can start to use. Okay. For the desk to manage, simply click on the manage button. You can see all the desks available in phase 3 and phase 4. Then every desk there will be option to delete, edit and deactivate. And also there will be a column for the inactive. You can make the desk to be inactive so people cannot be book the desk. If there is any fault on the desk, you can deactivate the desk. In this case, I'm showing our dash 03 floor 3 to be deactivated. After you deactivated, you won't able to see in the active list. It will be in the inactive list. So you also can create a new dash for myself. From here, you only can see dash 10 phase 3 for until dash 10 only. So I'm going to create dash 11 at phase 3 dash 11 floor bb3 and description located at phase 3 new. So if you can see here, if you straight away update here, dash 11 phase 3 and floor 3. So if you want to delete, click delete. It will form you a confirmation whether do you want to delete or not. That's for the desk creation. And if you want to edit this to make it at level 4, also can simply edit here. Also can there will be option to inactive and active. You also can create a desk and make it as an inactive. Okay. Then after you created the desk here, it won't straight away update in the desk list. It will take some time to be reflected here. Then after a few 10 or 15 minutes, it will be replicated. That's all for me. Thank you very much for listening. In this case,